Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: an Apple ID, iCloud enabled, and Mail allowed. Now open Settings and tap your name, then choose iCloud to toggle Mail on. If you do not have an Apple ID, create one here. It ties your mailbox to iCloud securely. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage, otherwise the mailbox may not sync. Once Mail is on, close Settings and launch the Mail app so the setup can finish in the background. You will be prompted to pick an at iCloud. Address when Mail opens, choose one that's short and unique. Provide a recovery email and verify it, because that helps you regain access if you lose your password. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for the Apple ID. This adds a second verification step and prevents unauthorized access. Once set, the new mailbox syncs across devices tied to the same Apple ID. Finish by sending a test email to verify you can send and receive. Then review Settings Mail accounts to adjust fetch frequency and folders, because those controls affect sync behavior. If Mail fails to appear, sign out of iCloud and restart the device. Then sign back in. This refreshes authentication and often resolves stuck setups. If you still have trouble, double-check your Apple ID recovery info and two-factor settings, as missing verification steps can block Mail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.